Here, beneath the waves in a world of shadows and sunlight, lives a creature that has captivated our imagination for centuries. The great white shark, a perfect predator, sculpted by millions of years of evolution. Its reputation as a fearsome hunter precedes it, but there's much more to this magnificent creature than meets the eye. Welcome, ocean lovers, to another video from the channel. Join us on a journey into the depths to uncover the truth about the great white shark, a vital part of our ocean's delicate balance. Is the great white shark really the killing machine everyone thinks it is? Let's dive deep to uncover the truth behind the reputation of this amazing predator. We'll reveal its hunting techniques, how it interacts with other sea creatures, and separate fact from fiction about its tough reputation. Stick around until the end of this video to find out if the great white shark is the deadliest predator in the ocean. The great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, is a creature of immense size and strength. Reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing up to 2.5 tons, these apex predators are the absolute rulers of their domain. But their most remarkable feature is their speed. These underwater hunters can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, allowing them to chase down even the fastest prey. Their senses are also highly refined for hunting. They can detect even the faintest electrical signals emitted by their prey, making escape nearly impossible. The great white shark is a true carnivore. Its diet shows its place at the top of the food chain. Seals, especially those with lots of blubber, are their favorite meal. These agile hunters often ambush their prey from below, launching themselves from the depths with incredible speed and agility, but their diet isn't limited to seals. Sea lions, dolphins, and even other sharks can become victims of their powerful jaws. Their scavenging nature also plays a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, helping to keep the populations of other creatures in check. What is the scientific name of the great white shark? The great white shark, a name that brings both wonder and fear, but scientists know it by another name, Carcharodon carcharias, a name that reflects its evolutionary journey, a name that connects it to a world long before ours. Carcharodon, a Greek word that means serrated tooth. It is the taxonomic genus it belongs to, and perfectly describes its impressive weapons. Rows of triangular teeth, serrated like saws, designed to rip and tear its prey. And then we have carcharias, a word meaning pointed or sharp, further emphasizing the predatory nature of this magnificent animal. Carcharodon carcharias, a name that carries the weight of evolutionary history and the raw power of nature. In the animal kingdom, size often means power, and in the world of great white sharks, females rule. While the males grow to be pretty big, the females are even bigger, growing to be 20 feet long or more. It's a big difference, and it shows how evolution made bigger, stronger moms. Larger females can have more babies, making sure that more baby sharks survive. They also have more energy stored in their bodies, which lets them travel across huge oceans to find food. These are the queens of the ocean, ruling the deep waters with grace and power like no other creature. What is the food chain of the great white shark? In every ecosystem there's an order, a hierarchy of who eats whom, a complex web of interactions that maintains the balance of nature. And at the top of this marine food chain, we find the great white shark. An apex predator, the great white shark sits at the top of the food pyramid, ruling its domain with an unbeatable combination of size, speed, and intelligence. Their diet consists of a variety of prey, including seals, sea lions, dolphins, and large fish. They are the architects of their ecosystem, regulating the populations of their prey and ensuring the overall health of the ocean. Their presence, although fear-inspiring, is crucial for the health and balance of our blue planet. And now let's dive into some of the most intriguing quirks of these magnificent predators. Great white sharks can jump completely out of the water. This extraordinary sight is often seen during hunting. Their highly developed senses contribute to their success in their attacks. They have a keen sense of smell, able to detect the scent of blood from miles away. Despite their fearsome reputation, they play a crucial role in the balance of marine ecosystems. The art of hunting is taken to a whole new level by the great white shark. As a master of camouflage, it uses its unique body coloration to its advantage. When prey is within reach, the great white shark attacks with impressive speed. Great white sharks have rows of serrated teeth, sharp as knives. This tactic, often used to capture seals and sea lions, demonstrates the incredible strength and agility of the great white shark, a predator at the peak of its evolution. Great white sharks live in coastal and oceanic waters around the world. They prefer temperate waters, but have been seen in both cold and warm regions. Their global distribution proves their adaptability. They are migratory, traveling long distances for food and reproduction. Some make transoceanic migrations, connecting distant populations. Are you enjoying this video? Then, like it right now so YouTube knows you liked it and can share it with more people. The great white shark is a magnificent creature. Its size and power are obvious, but it's also remarkably beautiful. Its coloration is distinctive. The underside is white, and the top is a metallic gray. This countershading is essential for hunting. And then there are the jaws. Serrated and sharp teeth, but its eyes are fascinating. Black and piercing, they reveal an ancient intelligence. The great white shark is often portrayed as a lone wolf, a solitary predator roaming the vast ocean. And while this is true for much of their lives, recent research has revealed a more nuanced understanding of their social interactions. They are not the mindless killing machines they are often portrayed to be. They have been observed engaging in complex social behaviors, particularly around abundant food sources. These gatherings, however, are not driven by a need for companionship. A strict hierarchy governs these interactions, with size and dominance playing a crucial role in determining feeding rights. These interactions can be surprisingly peaceful, with sharks communicating through subtle body language and displays of aggression. These gatherings are a vital part of their life cycle, allowing them to learn from each other, establish dominance, and ensure the survival of the fittest. It's a delicate balance between competition and cooperation, a testament to the complexity of the natural world. The size of the great white shark is a source of fascination and fear. These are truly enormous fish, with the females growing significantly larger than the males. On average, an adult female can reach lengths of 14.5 feet to 16.5 feet, while males typically measure between 11.5 feet and 13 feet. But it's their weight that is truly impressive. A large female great white shark can tip the scales at over 2 tons, heavier than a large car. That immense mass is not just blubber, it's muscle, honed by millions of years of evolution into a powerful hunting machine. This size, coupled with their incredible speed and predatory prowess, makes them the apex predators of their domain, rulers of the underwater realm. How do great white sharks hide from predators? The great white shark, an apex predator, may seem invincible, but even these magnificent creatures are not exempt from threats. Orcas are known to occasionally attack great white sharks. The great white shark has developed a remarkable strategy for survival: camouflage. Their coloration is extremely effective. From above, their gray dorsal side helps them disappear in the depths. What is the biggest great white shark ever recorded? Stories of monstrous great white sharks have been shared by sailors and fishermen for centuries. One of these legends is Deep Blue, a female great white shark estimated to be over 6 meters long. First filmed in 2014 off the coast of Mexico, she captivated researchers and the public. Her massive size makes her a truly awe-inspiring sight. Are there great white sharks in captivity? The great white shark captures our imagination, but they are difficult to keep in captivity. Attempts have failed, with sharks often dying quickly. They cover vast distances in the wild. Confined spaces are unsuitable for their nomadic lifestyle. The open ocean is the best place to appreciate the great white shark. Are sea lions preyed upon by great white sharks? The great white shark, a top predator in its ocean domain, sits atop a complex food web. Their diet, although varied, often includes marine mammals, and sea lions, with their somewhat clumsy nature on land, become formidable prey in the aquatic realm. Sea lions, despite their agility in the water, often find themselves at a disadvantage when a great white has them in its sights. The shark's speed, size, and stealthy hunting strategies make it a formidable opponent, capable of ambushing unsuspecting sea lions with surprising speed and precision. The predator-prey relationship between the great white shark and the sea lion is a testament to nature's delicate balance. It's a cycle of life and death that has shaped the evolutionary strategies of both species, resulting in a breathtaking display of power and survival on the vast and unforgiving stage of the ocean. What is the lifespan of a great white shark? The great white shark, one of the oldest inhabitants of our planet, is a creature with a remarkable lifespan. Although figuring out their exact lifespan has been challenging, scientists estimate that these magnificent animals can live for many decades. By analyzing growth bands in their skeletons, similar to the rings of trees, researchers have discovered that some individuals can live for 70 years or more. However, the vast and untamed environment where great whites live makes it difficult to track their movements and study their entire life cycle. Their long lifespan, combined with their late maturity and low reproduction rates, makes them especially vulnerable to human-induced pressures, such as overfishing, habitat degradation, and climate change. Understanding and protecting these long-lived creatures is crucial to ensure the health of our oceans for future generations. The great white shark, a vital apex predator and one of the oldest inhabitants of our planet, continues to captivate and inspire awe. From its impressive size and raw power to its elegant beauty and complex behavior, the great white shark represents the beauty and fragility of marine life. As we deepen our understanding of these incredible creatures, we are reminded of the importance of protecting their ocean habitats for future generations. It is our responsibility to ensure that these magnificent animals continue to thrive in the deep blue for many years to come. Join us in celebrating the great white shark, a true icon of the natural world, and become an advocate for marine conservation. Did you like the video? Then, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you are already subscribed, answer our poll on the community tab of the channel and help us decide the theme of the next video. See you in the next video.